Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a reel for Instagram on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below and then you should click on the social media button at the top. Then scroll down until you find the Instagram Reels section. For more templates, click on the See All button. Once it is loaded, you should select from the available options, but you can also create your own one by tapping on the Create Blank button. Tap on the relevant one that you have chosen, and after that, start customizing your reel. As you can see, here is your video that you can adjust by adding your own pictures by clicking on the plus icon down below. Here you can find the pages applied. If you click on the camera roll button down below, you will be able to insert your own pictures either from your library, or you can also take pictures with your camera by tapping on the camera button. Take a picture. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the Use Photo button down below. After that, you will be able to insert it within your reel. You can also apply filters, effects. You can do adjustments, setting the brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, blur, X process, and so on. You can flip it, change the position. If you want to, you can add your elements, you can add the text box to it. Here you can find these options, whether you would like it to be a heading, a subheading, or a body text. You have these text combinations and font combinations that you can insert. So that's how you can create a reel. In order to check out how it looks like, tap on the Start button. You will be able to check it out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.